I'm gonna give it to you straight. If you recently been put in charge of an estate, you're gonna need help. Now, what am I basing this off? My name is Khalid. I am the certified probate expert in northern New Jersey, right? I work all of New Jersey, but what I do is help families with the non-legal task of inheriting an estate and getting the most money for their home that they've recently inherited, right? I've dealt with countless clients to where when I first got in contact with them, they're like, no, I'm good. We got it handled, right? I'll get in contact with them again a couple months down the line, and they'll kind of hear me out like, okay, what do you do? And then a year later, I'm helping them, they're thanking me, and they sending me birthday gifts through the holidays, and just thanking me so much for all of the help that I provided in regards to navigating the estate. Now, I'm not an attorney. I am licensed as a real estate agent, and I have done quite a bit research on the probate process as it is concerned specifically in Essex County, New Jersey, and Hudson County, New Jersey. Why does this all matter in regards to you needing help? Because a lot of times when people are put in charge of an estate, there's not a lot of literature and manuals and handbooks on when you inherit an estate, what to do next. Excuse me. There's not a lot of there's not a lot of dialogue on the internet or just in general about what to do. But it's one of the hardest, one of the most challenging things a lot of times people have to do. Because let's set the scene. If you've been recently put in charge of the state, more times than not, a loved one has passed, unfortunately. And not only are you possibly dealing with the grief, some people, they kind of saw it coming, so it kind of helped the blow, like when a person transitioned. But not only are you dealing with that, and dealing everything that comes with funeral homes, family gatherings. But now, if you're the personal representative, executrix, you know what I'm saying, head of the estate, you got people calling you, not only like real estate professionals calling you, but you got maybe attorneys reaching out. You're getting all type of mail. You got all types of responsibilities. You're supposed to go to circuit court. Do I need an attorney? Do I not need an attorney? Should I call my cousin who is a realtor? Should I call my attorney that I use for my real estate stuff? Should I call my attorney that I use for my car accident? Like, how do I get in touch with the bank? The bank's saying they don't have this information, or they're asking for information that I don't have, and I'm supposed to be. You need help, and it's not just about me telling you need help. A lot of times, and you can comment below, if you've been in charge of an estate, you will be like, oh yeah, when I took that on, it was a lot. Some people, it was pretty smooth. They had it handled, but for the majority of people that I come across in my community, they need help because there's just so many moving parts. So, with that being said, I am the help, and I can help you find more help. What do I get out of it? Sometimes I help people sell their home. What do I get out of it even deeper? I feel a sense of me helping people in my community through very trying times, right? And sometimes they don't do business with me, just being completely honest. Sometimes I get in touch with people and they don't have a home in the estate. And I still help them by referring them to people that they still might need in regards to settling the estate. Sometimes they have a home, but they're not selling, or they're not selling right now. I still help because that's what I do full time, and that's what needs to be done in general. So, if you got any value from this video, just give me a thumbs up. Tell me your inheritance stories down below. And thank you guys for watching. And subscribe if you like my personality. Like the video if you got any value, and go ahead and comment if you have any inheritance stories and know somebody having inheritance stories. And then you go ahead and subscribe if you think I'm handsome, if you like my haircut. Thank you guys again.